Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and Camille is right here biting me. Always biting, goodness. Y'all, this is a collab, and this is the Ugly Christmas Sweater collab. And this was Carol Gardner's idea. Actually, she wanted to do this last year, and who knows what got in our way. But she's like, let's do it. So this is with Carol Gardner and hanging out with Kim, and Kim's a little of a lot, and me. So in this collab, we will all be doing giveaways, and you can win the giveaways by being publicly subscribed to all four of us, okay? And this will end in 2 weeks. I think it's December 3rd. I'll have the information in the in my description, okay? Now, what we'd like you to do, it doesn't mean anything really, it's just for fun, is we'd like you to vote on our ugly sweaters. Who has the ugliest sweater? And y'all, I may have to forfeit because I don't even have a sweater. I bought a sweater and I bought it on Temu. So I have to be very careful about what you buy on Temu. And I didn't have time to send it back and try again. So let me show you what I got. This is a shirt, if you can see it. It was supposed to be a sweater. It is a shirt, and it's too long. It doesn't fit properly. Everything I bought from Temu clothes-wise has pretty much fit me or been a little big. This is tight on me, and I don't care for that. And it is, you may think, okay, this is cute. No, wait till I show you. It's ugly. The sleeves are long, but the body is tight. So I think this is more made for a man than for a woman. But I'm gonna stand up and show you. And you let me know if you think that my sweater is ugly, because I think it's hideous, okay? It's hideous, not just because it doesn't fit properly, but come on. All right, it's got cute cats on it. We can see cute cats. But what are cats doing on pizza for Christmas? Why is pizza, does anybody eat pizza for Christmas? I know Italian people may make homemade pizza. That's different. That's different. But come on. Now, you know, looks like smudge, super cute kitties, but they are eating pizza on Christmas. This is just not right. It's not right. It's not right. And I say it's an ugly shirt. So anyway, and see the sleeves are long. I don't care for that. So let me tell you about these lovely ladies that are in this collab with me. Carol Gardner, I've known Carol since before I started my channel. She and I were both subscribers to other people, and we just clicked. And when I started my channel, she was extremely supportive. Excuse me, extremely supportive. And then when she started her channel, I try to be just as supportive to her. And she just has such a knowledge of makeup and skincare, and I adore her. And she gets every fabulous box, and she's changing up some where instead of getting more makeup stuff, she's getting more lifestyle. She gets fabulous lifestyle boxes. And she is my best friend on YouTube. She is just honest and true. She tells you like it is, and she really does. And then we also have Kim's Happy Place, which is, I'm saying that wrong, I'm sorry, Kim, hanging out with Kim. Kim has had a couple names to her channel, so, and I know Kim is Kim, you know, so, and in this collab, we have two Kims, so we're calling hanging out with Kim, we were calling her Kimmy, because originally her channel was Kimmy's Boxes. Kimmy's Boxes, hanging out with Kim, and hanging out with Kim is what it is now. Y'all, I apologize for being bonkers, but Camille's always running around. She makes me nervous. But Kim also, I've known Kim since before I started my channel. I want a giveaway from Kim, and I wanted to show the audience what she sent me, so I started a channel, and she was very supportive as well. So I've known those two ladies for a very long time, more than 3 years. And then there's Kim's A Little of a Lot. And Kim's A Little of a Lot has been around a little bit. And she is just down to earth, super honest also. They tell it like it is. I like people that'll tell it like it is. Kim's A Little of a Lot does a lot of great boxes. She's had some issues lately some health issues, but she is back to filming now. She had taken, she really didn't take any time off. She just didn't put out as many videos as usual. So she has some backed up stuff that she's got going on, but she is just one of the nicest people you'll ever meet. And she designed our thumbnails and also an ad that we've put up before this video came out. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you my giveaway, but we're gonna do some Christmas this or that's just for fun. And then we will, I'll show you my giveaway and I'll tell you what you need to do. So the Christmas this or that. So real simple, hot chocolate or eggnog. It's like that, very simple. Hot chocolate or eggnog. You know, I like eggnog, but I like half a cup of eggnog every Christmas. I don't always get it, but I'd rather have hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is rich for me. It's not the kind of thing I drink all the time, but I do like it. Gift wrap or gift bags. Gift bags, aren't they the easiest things that they ever came up with? But I do love, if I have the time, I love to take the time and wrap a gift beautifully. Colored lights or white lights. And I think that really is how you're raised. When I was growing up, we had colored lights all the time. And the rich houses had the white lights. I still like the colored lights. I like all lights. I really do. Ham or turkey. Now we have turkey for Thanksgiving and then we have ham for Christmas, and that suits me just fine. Build a gingerbread house or make Christmas cookies. I'd rather make Christmas cookies. Red or green. I like both colors very much. Hard to pick. I know I'm wearing red today. Probably, I probably wear more green than I wear red. And probably in my decor, I probably have more green than I have red. Christmas pajamas or the Christmas sweater. I've never had a Christmas sweater. You know how, yeah, I've had a sweater and it's Christmas time, but I've never had one of those Christmas sweaters that are embroidered and all that really started to be the joke of the ugly Christmas sweaters. So I'd rather have Christmas pajamas. When I was little, sometimes Santa would drop off Christmas pajamas on Christmas Eve, and we'd get to open that up before we went to bed. Artificial tree or real tree, no contest here. I always want a real tree. When they came out with artificial, I know they've had artificial trees a long time, but we used to have real trees. And then my parents bought an artificial tree, and then we had that for like 20 years. Real tree all the way. The Grinch or Buddy the Elf? The Grinch. Is Buddy the elf on the shelf? Oh no, Buddy the Elf might be what's his name? That big actor that was a cute movie, but I do like the Grinch. Okay. Sleep in or up early. I'm always up early, but I'd love to be able to sleep in. It just doesn't happen. Build a snowman or decorate the Christmas tree. Now that's a tough one because I love snow. I don't get snow. If I was still in Chicago and I got snow, I wouldn't love it as much, but I love it because I don't get it. So I think I'd like to build a snowman. I do. I like to decorate the tree though, too. Poinsettia or mistletoe. Poinsettias are poisonous to cats and possibly to dogs. I'm not real sure about that. Hey, Blue. Mistletoe probably is as well. Isn't mistletoe like hemlock or something? It's something poisonous. But of course, the romance of mistletoe is so sweet to hang it up and be kissed by your love. That would be nice. Blue, you'll have to sit. Go ice skating or go sledding. I love sledding. When we were kids, my aunt and uncle, they moved to New Mexico. But before they moved, maybe I was 15 or so when they moved. Before that, every year or so, if we got some good snow, we went to their house, which was about an hour away up north from us. And my uncle had toboggans. And you'd have 4 or 5 people on one, and you have to wrap your legs around the person in front of you and all this, and we had so much fun. I love doing that. Fairy lights or candles. I love candles. I do like fairy lights, but I really love candles. They're just, they're gorgeous, and the way that the light is, especially if you have the lights turned off or down. And then playing cards or watching movies. I like playing games and things like that, but I probably would prefer watching a movie. And that is my this or that's. And now time for the giveaway. So I have some things for you. Of course, you know I have to do sheet masks. So I have this hyaluronic acid sheet mask. This is Eye and Lip Beauty, Korean Beauty. This is Aceology Multivitamin Brightening Biodegradable Mask. Fabulous masks. Fabulous masks. And I have a lip mask for you. This is a fun lip mask. And then I have some eye masks from that same company as the lip company. We've got the green and the yellow. So the green is Sail Away from Dark Circles with Our Seaweed Secret. And the yellow is Why Settle for Silver Linings When You Can Have a Taste of Gold. Okay, so those will be in the giveaway. And we have Mud Masky. This is the scalp serum. And I have the Earth Harbor Calypso. The Calypso is the vitamin C moisture elixir. Their packaging is gorgeous and fabulous. And there it is. It's a yellow. Beautiful. I'm giving you all really high-end products in this giveaway. We have CLLC Laboratories by GN Derm de Arabica Resurface and Detox Gentle Face Peeling. And I have the Illamasqua Hydra Setting Spray. And that's that. Oops, put that back in the bottle there. What am I trying to say? The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. Y'all, this is wonderful. I love it. But I'm using one right now, and I have more. So I don't like them to go to waste. It doesn't have a date on it. I don't think it does. But you know, if they sit around for years, that's not good. But look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that pretty? Christmas, it looks like a Christmas bulb. But it's wonderful. A wonderful serum. I'm using some right now, like I said. And I have the Makeup of the Day brand. A couple of brushes here. We've got the Curve Bronzer and the Fitted Concealer. So, very pretty pink brushes. And then I have a palette from ColourPop. This is so very lovely. This is really pretty. Oops, how do I open it? Okay, hang on. There it is. And very festive. Oh, it doesn't have a mirror, so I don't have to worry about that. I'll tell you that I do see a nick in this, but I didn't do it unless I did it when I took off the color saver, but all I did was put it down on the table. But isn't that beautiful, y'all? I really love this palette, and it's something that I would use. But y'all, I am busting out of palettes. So I thought I would pass it on to you. I particularly love the purples in here and the neutrals. Gorgeous, gorgeous palette. Okay? I love shimmers. So I'm putting this back on. I'm not touching, but that does have a nick in it if you saw that. And I'm sorry, not sure when that happened. I didn't have it open when the cats went by or anything. It has a nice magnet closure, so I'm not sure when that happened. But that is my giveaway. So let me know what you think of my sweater. And I don't know what the other ladies, oh, there's one more thing, sorry. I don't know what the other ladies are wearing. So when you see these videos, I'll be watching them as well. And I'm anxious to see what they are wearing. I'm anxious to see who has the ugliest sweater. And, you know, don't go, oh, that's so cute, Mary. No, come on, think about it. Think about it. Pizza? Pizza for Christmas? This is just silly and ugly, okay? and the fact that it's not a sweater. And it's too, whatever. Okay, I do have one more thing in the giveaway. This is beautiful. It's a little tangled. So this is a bracelet set. It is, let's see, we've got this beautiful gray bead, stretchy. And then this is like a string here and a little gold emblem. And that has a lobster claw. I'm sorry that they got a little tangled, but then there's this gold with the beautiful, like it looks like marble on there. And that one's adjustable. See, that's what's hanging there. So it's not broken, it just is adjustable. And then there is another one that's gold. So you can wear these all together or you can wear them separately. I think that there are, let's see, is there 1, 2, I think that there might be 3 gold pieces. This one has some beads on it, can you see? And then those other pieces that you can wear it all together or you can, you know, separate them up. I believe that there's 5 pieces. There could be 4. I don't want to pull on it or anything, but I'll get it untangled. Oh, this one has a heart. This one has a heart on it. I'll get it untangled and put it back in that bag. Yeah, they're okay. It's pretty much untangled already, okay? It's just that that one has the lengthening on it, so it looks like it's tangled. Yeah, that one has a couple of hearts, or maybe just one. Anyway, they're pretty. So I'm gonna put it back in the bag, and that is what I have for you for the giveaway. And say friends, Friends, if you would like to win this giveaway, because some of my friends just come by and just say I'm here for support. So then I'll know that they're not interested in this giveaway. So if you want to win this giveaway, if you want to be entered, then just say friends. And I'm going to get done because this is taking longer than I expected, y'all. So count your blessings and go see the other ladies. And remember, you have to be subscribed. My rules are in the description. You have to be subscribed to all 4 of us publicly. And if you don't know what that means, ask me. Bye-bye, y'all. Count your blessings.